Hey friends! Do you struggle with using could in English sentences, or find it hard to tell when to use could have or could be? Well, you're not alone. Mastering the art of using could can elevate your English skills and make your conversations and writing much smoother. In today's session, we'll break down the subtle yet powerful uses of could with simple examples. Make sure to share this video with your friends because this could be the key to acing your exams and boosting your fluency. 1. Introduction to could. Could is a modal verb in English that expresses possibility, past ability, suggestions, or polite requests. Knowing when and how to use it can make a big difference in how well you communicate. 2 examples of could in different contexts. Past ability. When I was younger, I could run for miles without getting tired. Possibility. It could rain later, so take an umbrella. Suggestions. You could try the new cafe downtown, it's highly recommended. Polite requests. Could you pass me the salt, please? 3 common mistakes and tips. Remember, could does not change form based on the subject. I could, you could, they could, all are correct. Avoid mixing could with to directly. Say, I could go, not I could to go. 4. Expanding your usage. Could have. When we use could have, it refers to something that was possible in the past but did not happen. For example, I could have gone to the party, but I chose not to. This implies that the opportunity was there, but you didn't take it. 5. Could be for hypotheticals and speculation. Could be is perfect for expressing something that is possible but not certain. For instance, he could be at the park, but I'm not sure. This conveys speculation without a definitive answer. 6. Pro tips for exam success. When writing essays or longer pieces, using could helps make your language more versatile and sophisticated. Try switching between can and could to see which makes your sentence more impactful. Did you know studies show that using modal verbs correctly, like could, improves the readability of your essays and can boost your scores in language exams by up to 15%. Modal verbs also show a higher level of command over English, impressing examiners and interviewers alike. And there you have it, an easy way to master the use of could in your English practice. If you found this session helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on English and exam prep. Remember, learning even one small trick each day could make all the difference in your progress. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Check out our other videos on mastering modals and building advanced sentence structures to further boost your English proficiency. Keep learning, keep growing.